Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your TurboTax return using IRS Direct File, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin updating your TurboTax return using IRS Direct File, first ensure you have your original return handy. Log into your TurboTax account using your credentials. Navigate to the My Accounts section on the dashboard. Select Updates to review any changes needed in your return. Follow the prompts to access your current tax return. Locate the section that requires updates based on new information or corrections. Make the necessary edits to the relevant fields of your return. Ensure all figures are accurate and all forms are complete. Once you've updated the information, save your changes. Review your updated return for any errors or omissions. When you're satisfied with your edits, click on the option to e-file your return. Select IRS Direct File as your submission method. Confirm your identity by providing any required information, such as your social security number or tax filing details. Follow the prompts to complete the IRS Direct File process. Make sure to check for an email confirmation of your submission. Keep a copy of your updated return for your records. Lastly, regularly check your IRS account for any updates or notifications regarding your submitted return. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.